We are Bozilla Corporation, injection molding specialists. We are plastics engineers, military veterans, and highly skilled men and women. With over 20 years of plastics injection molding experience and knowledge, we use our intimate knowledge of polymers, flow, gate placement, cooling, simulation, and floor processes to optimize your design and deliver a successful result. We understand injection molding involves the end customer, tool shop, molder, part designer, material supplier, and often a Tier 1 or 2 supplier. We consider each entity's role and confidently serve everyone involved. The teamwork atmosphere creates results in maximum quality delivered. We communicate. We listen. We work directly with your team to assist you in achieving your goals. Your success is our priority. Contact Bozilla Corporation today, and let's get started.